western Champaign County, north central Madison County, Union County, Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Urbana, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marysville, Urbana, Richwood, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg,